How to turn on toxic emotes in Fortnite. So first, you simply click on your profile icon here at the top right. Then click on the settings icon right there. Once that's done, you will need to click on the tab right here at the rightmost side of the sections right here at the top. So this is the account and privacy section. Then just scroll down till you see the social privacy section, and here at the bottom of it, you will see confrontational emotes. So it is currently set to from friends and party. So I think that's the default one. So what this does is when you set it to from friends and party, you will only see these emotes from friends in your party. If you set it to never, you will not see these emotes for other players. So these are the emotes that you cannot see. But if you set it to anyone, you will see these emotes from all players. So if you want to enable it, set it to from anyone. After that, click on apply. Once it's done, you're now good to go and I could play the game. And that's basically it.